The whole solution is divided into 6 stages as seen in the slide. Client BOQ stage needs formatting to an internal BOQ. The solution provides 23 Excel macro commands as listed in the slide to quickly format client BOQ into system-readable format. How to use these commands is explained in the next slides. Formatting instructions for Excel BOQ must be read, understood and practiced before you proceed with formatting process. Have a look at your project BOQ, generally spread across more than 20 worksheets. This command identifies and formats text objects hidden in numerical values to make numerics manageable. This command replaces blank units with numbers for quantity values. This is a system requirement to have all units and quantities with no null values. This command replaces blank quantities with 1.00 wherever unit values are stated in BOQ. To maintain integration link between Excel BOQ file and AEC budget, you need to have every worksheet BOQ item with unique worksheet plus cell reference. This reference field is common between AEC budget database and Excel file to pull final rates to Excel BOQ file after analysis from AEC budget. Blank units, blank quantities and preserve original refs commands must proceed to this command. You must also ensure all relevant worksheets should have the same BOQ format. This command combines all the relevant worksheets into a single worksheet and named as AEC All Sheets. User is expected not to create this reserved sheet name for other sheets. This command uses several Excel commands, for example to unmerge cells, follows aligning standards, removing spaces and so on. This command must be applied on AEC All Sheets to save your time. This command deletes entire blank rows. This command deletes entire rows, resulting from the column data having selected specified cell text. If column contains Albathina International School, all such entire rows having cells in column get deleted. This command deletes entire rows, resulting from the column data having selected cell text with specific start word. If column C contains page 1 by 2, page 1 by 7, and so on, the first word page is the key value for deleting entire rows. Rows with chunk data with specified and string from a selected cell in related column. For example, cell text with values planned, continued, concrete, continued. Rows with continued in string get deleted. Use this command to pull WBS numbering for BOQ groups when shown and built within the BOQ description column. Use this command when your BOQ description column contains groups. You need WBS numbering key value to identify and pull out. If you do not have the WBS numbering, create them manually. Many commands do not prompt the user for quantity and unit columns, if previously responded, while formatting the BOQ system may assume wrong identity if new columns are inserted before. Such insertions require redefinition of the quantity and unit columns for the system to interpret correctly. Use the command to tell the system to consider revised values. When few of your BOQ items have common description in a preceding column cell, that part needs to be pulled out to apply for every item row. A common group or WBS number or common parent description when required should be filled down for other records. Use this command. When BOQ item description is spread in multiple cells of a column, these can be joined into a single cell against each quantity cell. The command assumes that the description first row lies in the same row where quantity is listed. Joining continues until one cell above the next quantity row. BOQ/task description generally is long text and must be codified in more meaningful way. The command truncates first few complete words limited to 50 characters and returns in a specified column. User may rename the system required task brief suitably. When make task brief command truncates first few words, there is every possibility to have several tasks bearing same duplicate briefs. Such similar briefs are highlighted for ease of identification to manually correct them. This command enables user to bring unformatted unit text to single common format that should match AEC budget database units. The command prompts one by one such unique unit texts to modify manually.